Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the new Godzilla and Kong movie premiering, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla and Kong teaming up. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Kong and Godzilla, let's begin with Kong. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down. Then I'm going to bring this up here. I'm going to make a little kind of oval shape in here. I want to bring this line up a little bit. I'm going to make another line here. Then I'll make another line. It's just going to kind of go down and then up here. Then I'll make another little oval shape in there for an eye. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around. I'm going to color it in for part of the nose. And then same thing here, just kind of curve it around. Then I'll make like a big bump here, and then a big bump right here. We'll draw a couple little lines down there. Right here, I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Put a little bump, then I'm going to bring this one up and down. I'm going to bring it in just a bit. Next, I'm going to kind of curve a line around here, and I'm going to bring it to here. Then I'm going to bring a line down here, and we'll bring another line down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. I'm going to go down. We're going to bring this up, and then back up to here. We're going to make some teeth in here, so I'm going to put two big fangs, and then I'm just going to kind of put some smaller teeth in between. And then same thing here, we're going to put the two bottom fangs, and then some smaller teeth. I'm going to do a little line right around here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. We're going to curve it around, and then bring it up here. Put a line right here, and then a little bump here for the tongue. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to come in here. Put a little zigzag line here, and then I'm going to curve this line down. Curve here, and then a little bump in there. Now for the top of the head, I'm going to make some little points that are just going to come down to here. Then I'm going to put a couple little curved lines right around the eyes here as well. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down with some points and then up for Kong's beard. Then I'm going to make some little lines here. Next, over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and then it's going to come in for the chest. And then I'm going to make the other part of the chest here, but I'm going to bring this one down and then up here. I'm going to curve this line down. Then I'm going to curve this line down. Next, I'm going to make some kind of like pointed little lines that curve in for his shoulder. And then another one right here for the arm. Then I'm going to bring this line down for the arm. Now, starting up here, we want this arm to be raised. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make some lines that are going to curve up. And then over here, I'm going to bring this part down for the other side of his body. I'm going to curve a straight line here. Then we're going to bring this up. And then we're going to come over and then down. Let's add a little half circle here. Then a line's going to come up curve around and down. And then we're going to make a curve line here. We're going to go up, curve across, and then down. I want to make some more kind of fur in here. And then a little line that comes right into here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Then I'm going to put another line across. We're going to go up, over, and down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to here. And then right here, I'm going to go down, and I'm going to come at an angle. Then I'm going to go over, up, and I'm going to bring it back at an angle. And I'll bring it across. Right here, I'm going to make a line that goes over, up, and then back over for like the thumb. And I'll make a line that comes down, over, and up. Another line's going to come down, and then one's going to come up here and connect. We'll go over and up like this. And then we're going to add the other fingers. So I'm going to go over and then down at an angle, over, down at an angle, over, down at an angle. Then I'm going to curve a line right up here so you can kind of see where his finger is. Then I'll make a line that's going to come out, over, or up, and then over. Next, we're going to make two lines here, and then a third one that's really skinny. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, down, and in, out, down, and in. I want to bring this line down here with a couple lines across and one down. I want to make some lines across here. And then we'll put some little lines kind of coming down. We'll make a few more little lines across. Two lines here, and then another skinny rectangle. A little skinny rectangle here. We'll add a line across, and then a couple little bumps here. I'll put a circle in here, two lines across. And then half a circle here with a smaller one. Make a line that goes over and down. And then down and over here. Make a line here, and then two lines here. Then I'm going to finish off his face, just kind of adding a line there, and then we're just going to add some like little broken lines on a few parts of his face, and then a few little broken lines on his chest. We'll make some little lines to kind of show some fur, and then kind of some extra little lines here for some detail. I'll even put some on here too, so we can kind of see the difference between where his fur is and where the arm, or the metal part of the arm is. Now, once we have that, we need to draw Godzilla over here. So I'm going to start Godzilla right here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes over, and then I'm going to bring it down. I want Godzilla to look like his head is up. I'll bring this line down and over. I'm going to bring this line over, and then kind of make these little diagonal lines in there. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here with like some little points on it. And then this line up, and then we're down. I want to bring this down to here. And then I'm going to put a little kind of dot here for the nose. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. I'm going to go down like this. Then I'm going to curve this line down, and we're going to go out to here. I'm going to bring this down, and then up, and then we're going to go down, and then up here. Then I'll make another little line right here to kind of show where the bottom is. Next, I'm going to put some sharp teeth in Godzilla's mouth, and then a line down here for the back of the mouth. Then I'll put some sharp teeth here. Then a line's going to come down, and then up, and then back down. I'm going to curve this line down to here. Then I'm going to put some little sharp teeth in here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line to here. Next, I'm going to bring some lines that are just going to kind of go down and then up in like a V shape, just to kind of show the neck of Godzilla. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then up like this for the chest, and then another one down. Then I'm going to bring this line over to here. And then I'm going to make some kind of like sharp little points over here just to kind of show some of the little spikes and details on Godzilla's cheeks and jaw. Then I'm going to put a few little spikes here. I'm going to run some little broken lines kind of right around the mouth and then right here. Then a few little lines underneath here as well. I'm going to do some long broken lines here. And then a few little kind of broken lines right around here for some detail on his chest. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out for the shoulder. I'm going to bring this line down here for the arm, and then bring a line here. Then I'm just going to make some kind of little broken lines across here for some texture. I'm going to draw some little curved lines here for Godzilla's gills, and we'll put a few little lines on here. I'm going to bring a little line down here. Now for his dorsal plates, I'm going to start putting some nice big kind of sharp spiky lines right there. And then a couple little points here. I'm going to put some other kind of big kind of sharp pointed lines here for some more detail on Godzilla. Then I'm just going to add a few more kind of broken lines everywhere for some more detail. And then a few on the spikes up here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla and Kong from Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.